Ooh, welcome back to Afrobeat News. Nigerian singer Tiwa Savage has fulfilled her promise of taking TikToker Peller on a private jet. If you remember earlier, Tiwa Savage appeared on Peller's TikTok live alongside his girlfriend Jarvis, and Tiwa Savage promised to take Peller on a private jet, and she has fulfilled the promise as Peller was seen on Tiwa Savage's private jet flying to an undisclosed location.
Yes, I have and shall be given. Private jet. Where in the sky.
Let me know what you think about the video. Also, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can keep getting videos just like this one. Thank you for watching.